Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to learn about the continue keyword in C++. So the continue keyword is another essential tool for controlling the flow of loops in C++. In the previous tutorial we discussed the break keyword which exit the loop entirely, but the continue keyword allow us to skip the current iteration of the loop and move to the next one. Suppose we want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, but we want to skip the number 5. We can use the continue keyword to skip printing the number 5. So inside the loop there's a condition. At line number 7 we have used continue keyword. So what does continue do? When the number reach 5, the continue statement is triggered. This will skip the rest of the loop body for that iteration, meaning the cout statement will not be executed for counter 5. The loop then jumps directly to the next iteration where counter becomes 6 and the process continues. Let's save and run this. As you can see, we are getting the numbers from 1 to 4. Then the loop jumps directly to 6, skipping 5. This demonstrates how continue keyword allow us to skip specific iteration in a loop. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.